Good morning, visitors. Right now arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal, we have the Honorable James L Oberstar. The Honorable James L Oberstar was built as the Shenango II in 1959 by the American Shipbuilding Company of Lorain, Ohio. She measures 806 feet in length, 75 feet in width, and 37 feet in depth. She's powered by two 4,100 horsepower, 6-cylinder Bergen Rolls-Royce diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots or about 17 miles per hour. She's also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Oberstar has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 48 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 31,000 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Honorable James L Oberstar is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. The Oberstar is arriving today to head over to Fraser Shipyard to have some repair work done. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big old wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. Once again arriving today, we have the Honorable James L Oberstar, built in 1959, 806 feet long, and making her way over to Fraser Shipyard. If you see any crew members on deck, give them a big old wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. powered by two 3,100 horsepower, 6-cylinder Caterpillar diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots or 17 miles per hour. She's also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. On the deck of the Spar is a 20-ton hydraulic crane with a 60-foot extendable boom used for buoy placement. She was built as a multi-mission platform capable of maintaining aids to navigation, which includes placing, retrieving, or replacing buoys. She also performs ice breaking, search and rescue, homeland security, law enforcement, and marine environmental protection. An integrated ship control system can allow the Spar to maintain a position within a 5-meter circle in bad weather without human control. She's also capable of breaking ice up to 3 feet thick. The Spar's home port is here in Duluth. She's primarily responsible for Lake Superior and Upper Lake Michigan, but can operate anywhere throughout the Great Lakes. She can carry a crew of 50 personnel, specifically